Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Cubing Corner, and we are in training set number 10, that is knight shaped patterns, or it looks something similar to L, capital letter L. The first one in knight shape. Why this is called as knight shape? You might have played chess, or you might be knowing some basics of chess. Okay, those who doesn't know about chess, there will be a knight or a horse shaped piece which moves in this way. So the move or the pattern which is created by in that angle is represented by knight move, or simply you can consider it as a capital L. Also, for some of them who doesn't recall or doesn't recognize this case, then it's typically like a gun shape, like this. Okay, so it has easy pair over here and in the front. The formula goes like this: small r u prime, small r prime, u prime, small r u r prime. Be very careful here. So you are doing y prime, a cube rotation, and then r prime u r. That's it. Let's move to the second case. Second case is exactly the mirror of the first case, where you have the gun in this side, or the knight move which is forming like this, having easy pair in the front as well as back over here. So the formula for this goes like this: r prime f r u r prime f prime, that is 4, r f u prime f prime. A bit tricky when it comes to finger tricks, but on practice I think you can do it easily. Let's move on to the next case. The third case is very similar to the previous, that is the second case, but here if you observe, the easy pairs are here and there is no easy pairs on the front. So for this, the formula goes like this: it's small r prime u prime, small r r prime u prime r u, small r prime u small r, which solves the case. Coming to the last one, we have another case like this, which has a gun shaped and it has easy pairs over here and doesn't have in the front, which is very similar to the previous case, third case, mirror of it. For this, we actually want to do it by doing u2 in the beginning or y2 in the beginning. The formula goes like this: small r u small r prime r u r prime u prime, that is magic move, then small r u prime small r prime. That's it. You have solved all the 4 cases of training set number 10. Guys, if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section, and you are free to go back and check out the other videos, as well as if you have any confusions, I am always ready to help you out. Also, don't forget to check out my notes, which is available on Amazon Kindle, and it's free to purchase if you have a subscription. Thank you guys, stay subscribed for more updates and cubing videos like this.